Hi Ron. What's going on? You look a bit upset. Is the computer not behaving today?
Hi Julie. It's not the computer. I'm having trouble getting the leads in my area to make the improvements I've asked them to make.
Ah, interesting. What has been your approach?
Well, I've mapped all of the processes and I've identified some improvements that I want done.
I see. I think I understand the problem. May I make a suggestion?
Yes, please. I need help before I have a heart attack.
Well, in that case, let me suggest the improvement Kata approach.
What is that?
Well, the improvement Kata approach will change the thinking and ultimately the behavior of you and your people in a positive way.
I'm all ears.
Here is how it works. You start by understanding your target condition. This might happen through a value stream mapping activity. For example, let us suppose that through value stream mapping, you've identified a need to process 120 claims per hour with 4 employees in claims processing. Then, you as the supervisor, set an intermediate target. Perhaps one that is achievable in the next 2 weeks based on where you are today.
You mean, something easy?
No. Not something you already know how to achieve. Something that will require some work and analysis to achieve but is reasonable in the next couple of weeks.
Perhaps, if we were currently processing 90 claims per day with 4 people, we might aim for 100.
Perhaps. And then you coach your lead to work toward this goal using 5 questions plus some additional clarification questions as needed to lead her to make the right moves.
Interesting. What are these 5 questions?
Well, the first question is, what is your target condition? In other words, what are you working toward? The next question is, what is your current condition today?
Yes. So my target might be 100 per day and my current might be 90.
Right. The next question is a 2-parter. What obstacles do you think are preventing you from reaching the target condition? Which one are you addressing now? Notice, you want your lead to be focusing on addressing one particular obstacle at a time even if she has identified a number of potential obstacles.
Interesting. What comes next?
Exactly. The next question, what is your next step and what do you expect to learn from taking this step? The next step might be observation, analysis, or piloting an idea. Once you understand what her thought process is, you might have to ask additional clarifying questions.
Right. I see. I like this.
The final question is, when can we go and see what you've learned from taking this step? The idea is to encourage her to take action as soon as possible. Before you ask, let me tell you where I've learned all of this. From my friends at EMS Consulting Group. www.emsstrategies.com.
I like this idea and will get started right away. But first, I must visit www.emsstrategies.com to learn more.